has dropped again to only 166 homes for sale in all of the Annapolis zip codes, and the median sales price is up to $670,000. While we have seen more than double how long properties stay on the market until a contract, we're now at 46 days. 72 of these homes recently had price reductions. It's Friday, September 3rd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. The inventory in Annapolis is still very tight, and here's what happened over this past week. 28 homes were listed for sale. This is down by only one from last week. 27 homes are coming soon. 28 homes went under contract. 38 homes are temporarily off of the market. 16 homes moved to pending. That's fewer than more than half. 48 homes sold over the past week, and that's more than double from last week's report. The highest priced home to sell was this waterfront home in Millvale for $2 million. Rental inventory continues to be sparse, with only 18 homes listed for sale at an average of $3,000 per month. So that's your Annapolis market snapshot for this Friday, September 3rd, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update, and be sure to subscribe for new content. Have a super Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.